INDO-MIM Aerospace solution was launched in 2011. We are a one-stop solution that combines the capabilities of precision machining and the special process in a world-class state-of-art facility. Our facility is AS 9100 RFD certified and NADCAP OEM Prime approved with merit status. The special process plant has more than a dozen chemical processing approvals, painting, NDT, welding and excellent laboratory. We are a reliable partner for many global aerospace OEMs in United States, Europe, Canada, Southeast Asia and India. We manufacture a wide variety of parts for our customers, which goes into the hot section and the cold section of the engine, actuation systems, servo motors and the LVDTs, landing gear parts and many other critical parts. We are well positioned in both wide body and narrow body programs, A320neo, A350neo and 737 MAX and 737 and Dreamliner 787. The key differentiator is we are the end-to-end solution provider in the machining and special processes like heat treatment, surface treatment, welding, testing, or with prime approvals all under one roof. The speed of execution and with consistency and maintaining the same quality is another key differentiator factor for us. Though over the last 12 years, we have developed around 3,600 new products, which made us a prime player in aerospace industry. And we have also been recognized as the center of excellence by large engine, actuation and control OEMs across the globe. Our aerospace solution group is equipped with simple 2-axis to complex 5-axis, 7-axis and 9-axis machines. Our machines have latest technology solutions like real-time engineering data, on-machine inspection and correction, laser probes, error-free setups, tool wear detection and change, and on-machine debugging. We have best-in-class infrastructure with live statistical process control in our machines. Special process capabilities include hard chrome plating, cadmium plating, titanium cadmium plating, zinc plating, painting, heat treatment, welding and metallurgical lab. In aerospace, we invest heavily in automation, and this is one live project wherein both the machines has been manned by the robot, industrial robot, and it's a closed loop inspection system. From the investment perspective, we will be growing at a CAGR of 40% over the next 3 years. From a capability perspective, thanks to our founders, we are investing on very niche technologies, leadership position in one-stop solution. From automation perspective, we will be going heavy on robots. We are looking at addition of 40 robots for the next 3 years. We are also investing rapidly in aerospace fine precision casting. For any precision engineering requirements, please do reach us.